Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Media. Today I will show you how to use an online whiteboard while doing class. So let's start. First, open a browser. I am using Google Chrome. Type whiteboard.fi. Then click New Class. Type your name and the email address. Click on Create New Class. Then wait for a moment. Then share the link to the students. Then let them join this room. You can add your question here now. Like I am writing, what is your name? Now let's see anyone have joined this room or not. Click on Toggle my whiteboard and see someone have joined with the name Rupam. Now he have answered my question. Now if you want to give a reaction in this answer, you have to purchase this. Now let's get back to the whiteboard. Click Toggle my whiteboard. Again the screen will come. Now you can use many things like select, draw, shapes like square and circle, text, images, PDF, means you can enter image and PDF, then copy, paste, undo, redo, zoom in, reset zoom, pen tool, zoom out, download, delete object, bring to font, send to back, and many options are there. Insert small grid, insert big grid, insert music sheets, emoji, maths, and you can erase your whiteboard from here. And here are the options for drawing. You can change the color like this. Now you have understood how to create a online whiteboard. Now let's see how to join it as a student. So click the teacher's link for whiteboard and type your name here. Like I am typing my name, and then click join whiteboard class. Then wait for a moment, and then you can see the teacher's whiteboard here, and you can draw shapes and all the options are same. So making and joining a whiteboard is so easy, and you can also do it now. Thank you.